Come on, go. Alright.
I'm coming for you. I'm coming.
That's free pass.
Oh!
Over your head, mother. Hey, guys.
Hey.
What the hell is that?
Sherman, are you wearing clogs?
Hell no! Well, what's that noise?
My footsteps. Sherman, get in here.
What's up? What are those?
New shoes.
Nice, huh?
Those are so gay.
Gay.
Dude, no they're not. Pretty gay looking.
They're Italian! Oh, so they're European. You're not making a great case for your gay shoes, dude. These shoes are nice! They cost me $90 at Paradise Feast! Women appreciate a man with a good fashion sense.
Women appreciate a man who isn't gay.
My shoes are not gay! They may appreciate a man with good fashion sense, but they don't appreciate a man who shops at the same store as they do. How far up do they go? Do they come up to your knee? Screw you!
Will you be taking the new shoes out on the town with the ladies tonight?
Quit it, guys! Oh my God, there's a zipper on the side! Hey, can we call you Julia Roberts now? And I'm gay.